Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've posted a video and I'm really sorry about that, but I'm back and we're going to be doing a baking video of Easter cookies. And I know that it's a really crazy time right now going on in the world, and I just want to say I hope everybody's staying safe, and I hope that this video can bring you a little bit of joy and peace right now. So if you want to see how we're going to make these yummy cookies, then please keep watching. Okay, so you only need one bowl for the recipe. So if you have a stand mixer, you could just use that, but if not, you only need one bowl. And we're gonna go in with 1 cup of butter, unsalted, and I just have 2 butter sticks because that equals 1 cup. And we're gonna take 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1 cup of normal sugar and just mix it all together in the bowl. And now that that's all mixed together, you're gonna go in with 3 eggs and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix it all together. And now you wanna take 3/4 of salt and baking soda and then 3 cups of all-purpose flour and add it into the wet mixture here, which is just underneath, and then you wanna mix it all together. So this is what the dough is just looking like now after we mixed it all together. And now we're just gonna go in with these mini chocolate chips, 1 cup of them, and 1.5 cups of these Easter M&Ms. And you guys just want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you want to take a pan that looks like this and line it with some tin foil and spray it with like Pam spray. I think that's what it's called. But yeah. I was supposed to film what they looked like before I mixed it because it looks so yummy. But after you just pour it in, you pretty much just want to mix it all together and it looks so good. I love the colors of the M&Ms. So these are the cookies once you put them into the pan, and I topped some M&Ms and some mini chocolate chips on top just so when you take it out it will kind of look nice and pretty and you can see what's in the inside. And yeah, these look so good. I'm so excited to eat them. So the cookies are gonna sit in the oven for 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes, and mine are already baking. They only have like 2 more minutes left, and let me tell you, it smells so good. So I really just can't wait to take them out, cut them, and everything like that. So please keep watching if you want to see what they look like when I take them out. So these are the cookies all done. They're cookie bars, not actual like circle cookies. But you can make them into circle cookies if you don't want to cut them into bars, but it's just gonna cool down right now. So the cookies are completely done, and I got 20 cookies out of it, but it really does vary how many cookies you get depending on the size of cut you make. But the cut that I made got 20 cookies, and I'm just gonna try the smallest piece that came out the batch, but they're pretty thick and they really do look so good. They really do taste good, and they don't taste like your average chocolate chip cookie. They almost taste kind of like, honestly, like a brownie, but not a brownie. Like, they're just really good. I would compare them to like it's like a brownie and a cookie mixed together. It's really good because they're thick, they're squishy, they're fudgy. Like, it's honestly just so good. They have such a great taste, and I really, really do recommend this recipe. It's perfect for Easter time coming around if you're able to get your hands on the items that you need at the grocery stores right now. And it's just fun, like if you have kids or even if you're just by yourself, it's just something fun to lift your spirits for Easter time right now. But yeah, like I said in the beginning, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.